The Northwest Regional Assembly, in collaboration with the United Nations Development Programme (UNDP), on Friday, December 15, 2023, at the Esplanade of the SDO's office in Bamenda, celebrated this year's edition of the Northwest Christmas and Cultural Festival under the theme Gift of Honor and Unity.
I think all of us are aware of what the Northwest have become, and there are some class of people who are vulnerable during normal periods. But now we are in a crisis period, then you can imagine the vulnerability of this class of people. So we thought it necessary that the year draws to an end and we are having end of year festivities. We should offer such a gift to the population of the Northwest and celebrate our culture and tradition, which over the years with the crisis, we have not been able to celebrate our festivals in our villages.
The United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, offered laptops to some youths in the region while encouraging others to bring up initiatives that can be supported.
The youths are the future of tomorrow, and everything in our society, it is either led by the youth or is killed by the youth. The emphasis on these gifts to the youth is because of that reason, and we truly want to support youth initiatives in this region. So you could also take note of the kind of gift we brought. They are laptops. And with a laptop, you can do everything. So we expect these youths to bring us good projects that will help them get self-employed, that will help them employ other youths of this region, and together we can talk about better development and recovery of our region.
The elderly, internally displaced persons, single mothers, amongst others, benefited from blankets, mattresses, foodstuff, these as Christmas gifts from the Northwest Regional Assembly.
Since the beginning of this crisis, we have never received anything. So I'm filled with great joy for what I've received today. I will thank whosoever has provided, that God will replenish the source.
The Christmas and Cultural Festival 2023 was graced by traditional dances from the four corners of the region, with the Forest Children, led by Jato Sonita, stealing the show with their epic bottle dance performance.